Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to moisturize and define your coils using some few products. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then please stay tuned for this video. So the first thing I'm going to be using is water, followed by this Hawaiian silky conditioner and the bio silk oil, and also Denman brush and a white tooth comb. I'm going to leave the list of everything that I used in my description box below in case you guys are interested. So first things first, I'm going to separate the hair into two sections, and after that I'll separate the hair into smaller sections.
Good figure, can hold liquor, likes jigger, can mess with her. 1 mega.
So first I damped the hair with water to hydrate the hair, and then I went in with the leave-in conditioner to moisturize the hair, and followed by the oil to seal in the moisture. And after that, I'm just going to use my white tooth comb to detangle the hair, and then I'm going to use the Denman brush to define the coils. I forgot to mention that this hair has already been washed, so I'm just going through the styling process. When detangling any hair, whether coily, straight or wavy, it is best to always start from the tip and then you gradually work your way to the top. I'll be repeating the same process for every section until I get to the last part of the hair.
Original Batman. The beats check. Girl, Batman, they feel the way you whine to the rhythm and the bass. Move to the rhythm, make we groove, make we move to my play. You are got the rhythm and the vibe that I make a man pray. Wine from the north to the south, you are set the house I play. Vibes on vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. Vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. You can balance it, check and balance it. No one bad man see, check and balance it. You put me on the low, you put me on the roll. Bad man let them know, nobody have to know, nobody have to know. Interconnected style, Lagos to Joburg, them and then they feel your vibe. Interconnected style, Lagos to Joburg, them and them I go the mile. Girl, bad man they feel the way you whine to the rhythm and the bass. Move to the rhythm, make we groove, make we move to my play. You are got a rhythm and a vibe that I make a man pray. Wine from the north to the south, you are set the house I play. Vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. Vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. Them done they look in my face. Got a bad man going insane. Mona Lisa, trying to please her. Fashionista, get the visa. Mona Lisa, with a sister, trying to please her, be a mister. If you want a real one, then you got a real one. That's why you know, say you are keep a bad man running. If you want a real one, then you got a real one. That's why you know, say you are keep a bad man coming. Nah, nah, nah. Girl, bad man they feel the way you whine to the rhythm and the bass. Move to the rhythm, make we groove, make we move to my play. You are got a rhythm party man, the vibe that I make a man quit. Wine from the north to the south, you I said the house I play. Vibes on vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. Vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. Original bad man. Original bad man. Oh. I like your vibe. Don't get me started. I know you want me.
So I'm done with this first part of the hair. You can already see the difference between each side. So I'm going to finish up the other side off camera, and then I'll show you guys the final result. So I'm done with the other part of the hair, and this is what it looks like. And also this is what the dried look of this hair looks like. That way you can see exactly what you're trying to achieve. So by the way, this is a custom made unit and it's available for purchase on my website, and if you're interested, the link will be in my description box below. I would also like to mention that you can use any moisturizer of your choice. Use what is available to you. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any uploads from me. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.